Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So because recently I released a major update for Aiomatic on the chatbots part, I want to give some explanations on the new features that were brought to the plugin. So here are the chatbot related updates highlighted here in the changelog. So you can check the Aiomatic plugin in this video description. You will find the changelog also. And let me show you this new functionality of the plugin. So first of all, I want to highlight that we have the ability to set the sound effect when a message is sent in the chatbot, or another sound effect when the message is received in the chatbot. So you will be able to set this in the settings of the AI chatbot menu. Here you will find send message and receive message sound effects. You can upload a file to your server, or you can link it directly here. So after you've done this, we will be able to go and check the chatbot. So once again, if we enter a message to the chatbot, or we receive a message from the chatbot, we will hear a sound effect. So let us test this. And you can customize this sound effect as you wish. Okay, so the next feature we added is the ability to set the custom chatbot shortcode to be displayed when the chatbot is globally injected to the website. This can be done from the global chatbots tab, and here you can set the custom chatbot shortcode here. So until now, the default chatbot was embedded to the site when the chatbot was globally added to your site, but now this can be changed. You can use the custom chatbot builder to create your own custom version of the chatbot. You can change the persona, you can change the avatar which is displayed in the chatbot, and you can get this shortcode here. So all you have to do is copy this shortcode and afterwards go to global chatbots, and here we can paste the shortcode that we copied in the custom chatbot shortcode to be injected. And now let's save settings, and if we refresh our site here, we will see that Rita is now available in our chatbot, not the programmer guide that we had before, because we created the custom chatbot to be Rita instead of the programmer guy, and we added her chatbot shortcode here. Okay, next feature is that we added the ability to add custom CSS to the chatbot. So we have some advanced features for the developers of who use the plugin. So you can create custom chatbots, and we will be able now also to add some CSS to the chatbot. So if you want to customize the CSS code of the chatbot and use your own custom styling for custom chatbots you create, you will be able to do this using custom CSS code that you add here. And add only the CSS code, don't add the style blocks or anything else, just the custom CSS code, don't add HTML in there. So this can also be made available in the styling part, where you will be able to customize the default global chatbot which is appearing. So if you change the styling part, the global chatbot will be changed. If you create a custom chatbot, you will be able to change these settings here. Okay, other feature that we got is that added the ability to set a response delay for the chatbot responses. And this is interesting, as this can simulate the response of a human if you wish. So this can be done in the plugin from the settings of the chatbot and chatbot response delay. You can set a millisecond delay range, or a single number if you want a static delay, or a delay range like this if you want a dynamic delay, in which case the plugin will automatically select a random number from the range that you enter. So for example, let's enter 1000, which is 1 second, because we have here milliseconds. This is not seconds, it's milliseconds. We need to multiply our seconds with 1000. So this is 1000 is equal to 1 second, and the range should be 5000, 1000, 5000, and this will make the plugin wait between 1 and 5 seconds for each chatbot response. And we can test this on the front end here. And now we are waiting. Some messages will come sooner, some messages will come later. As you can see, we have here our messages delayed by a custom time frame. Okay, so also another part is that we will be able to set a rate limit to chatbot message count. So if the user uses more messages than it is allowed in a specific time frame, he will be blocked or she will be blocked. So you will be able to set this in the limitations tab, where you have this new feature: limit user messages max request per time window. The time window is in seconds, and maximum number of requests is how many times the user sends a message. So we will be able to limit this. So for example, let's allow the user to send only one message each 10 seconds. And if the user is rate limited, we will be displaying this error message. So let's save this. So one request each 10 seconds. And let's try to test this. Hi. You exceeded your request limit, please try again later. And because we are over the 10 seconds window, we will get a response now. And if we write really fast now, you exceeded your request limit. So as you can see, you can customize this. You can set this, for example, 10 questions per 10 seconds or so on, as this will be greatly benefiting for spam and for users who want to use your chatbot and abuse it. So this is preventing any abuse from users' part. So I recommend you set this feature and you set a value for limiting this max request per time window feature. Okay. So these are the latest updates for Aiomatic. Let me know if you have more ideas, suggestions. Aiomatic is linked in this video description. Write in comments any feedback that you have or any idea that you have. Thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate this. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time, this is all. Bye bye.